Hello guys, last class we had seen what is data communication, what is company network and types of network PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. In this class we will see computer topology. Upon the completion of this session, we will able to understand the various network topology such as bus, store, ring, mesh and hybrid, and also understand the advantages and disadvantages of each topology. First, we will start network topology. We have some nodes and we have to arrange these nodes so that all can establish communication among all the nodes. What is network topology? Arrange of the nodes of a complete network. So we have to arrange these nodes to communicate into one node to another. Topology. A topology views layout of complete network. Layout of topology. Physical topology and logical topology. Physical topology means where I'm going to place all these nodes. Here I connect these nodes. Then placement of various nodes is called physical topology. And what is logical topology? Deal with data flow in the network. Logical means how do the data going to flow one to another. Network topologies are categorized in the following: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. Bus topology. Bus topology means all the data transmitted between nodes in the network is transmitted over this common transmission medium and is able to receive by all nodes in the network simultaneously. Bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a single cable. The cable acts as the backbone of the network. And let me see one example. The bus topology A is sent to the data to the B, but here all the nodes are connected in the single cable. If A send the data to B, other nodes also can receive this data. Then how to solve this problem? If A sent to the data and others data is also receiving, but it can do copy it and rejecting because A intend to the recipient B. Next, we will go advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. First, we see advantages: cost and effective, easy to install and maintain. Disadvantages: if cable fails in complete network goes down, slower communication, heavy traffic reduce in the performance. Next is ring topology. A ring topology, all the nodes are connected a circular fashion. Each node is directly connected to the adjacent node. Exchange of data takes place by the help of the token. A ring topology communication is unidirectional communication. In token passing, a token contains a piece of information along with the data. A token is passed to next node and check where the data was for it or not. If is received the data and pass on empty token further, otherwise it passes the token along with the information to the next node. This process continues till the data reaches to the desired destination. Advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. Advantages: cheapest to install and expand. Each node has equal access to the resource. Disadvantages: if node fail, complete the network goes down. Network is highly dependent on the cables. Star topology. Every node is connected to a central node called a hub or switch. Centralized management star topology, and all traffic must be passed through the hub or switch. This topology, all the nodes are connected to the through cables. The hub like as the network server. All the nodes send data to the hub and the hub broadcasts the data to each node in a network. Each node in the star topology has its own dedicated link to the hub. It can be implemented using twisted path, coaxial cable, and fiber optical cable. Advantages and disadvantages of star topology. Fast performance with a few nodes and low traffic. Each node has dedicated link to the hub. Easy to set up and maintain. Disadvantages: cost of installation is high. Performance of the network depends upon capacity of the hub. If hub fails, a complete network goes down. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, each node is connected to all the other nodes in the network. Every node not just send their data to other nodes but also receive the data from all other nodes. Therefore, if one connection breaks down, it would not affect the remaining network's functionality. This topology is commonly used for wireless network. Mesh topology provides fully connected, robust and non-flexible network structure. Mesh topology advantages. Each connection carries its own data load, providing full security and privacy. Disadvantages: bulk wiring is required, costing of cable is high. Hybrid topology. When more than two types of topologies are combined, then this types of topology is known as hybrid topology. For example, in this organization, there are multiple departments. One department structure is bus topology, and another one is in star topology, and another one is mesh topology. Star and ring, star and bus are the most commonly used example hybrid topology. Advantages: effective and flexible, fault detection is easy. Disadvantages: costly and complex in design.